Hi everyone, I will show you how to organize Instagram accounts you are following. First of all, open the Instagram app, go to your profile, then tap the following. Now tap here to change the order of the following list. Now you can see the three options. First is default and second is the data following latest. If you switch the latest, it shows the account you are recently followed, and you switch the earliest option, it will start the list with the accounts you followed first.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.